In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your AfroIntroductions app. So if you've been facing challenges with the app, maybe the app is too slow or it can't open, or when you open, it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix this problem once and for all. My name is Isaac, and if you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. So there are quite a number of steps you can take for you to troubleshoot this app. In the first method, we are going to troubleshoot it through the app information page. So to access the app information page of these AfroIntroductions, go ahead and look for settings and then tap on it. And from settings, scroll down until you see this option called apps. Now from apps, look for the option called manage apps. On your smartphone, it might be written all apps. Go ahead and tap on it. So for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now from this list, go ahead and find your app, and you can see mine is here. Alternatively, you can use the search function on top here to search for this app. So if you go ahead and tap on your app, you can see we are on the app information page, and this is where we shall begin our troubleshooting. However, if you can't find this page, then let me show you how you can get to this app information page using a shortcut method. For that, just go back and then look for your app, and then from your app, long press on it, and you can see we have this second option, app info. If you tap on it, it will again take you to this same app information page. From here, we want to clear the app data, and if I go ahead and tap on storage, you can see there's a lot of cache data. So one of the reasons why your app is malfunctioning or is quite slow is because of accumulation of this cache data. So to fix this problem, go ahead and clear this cache data by tapping on clear data here. So cache data normally helps to enhance user experience, but sometimes when this data accumulates, your app might malfunction. So to clear the data, go ahead and choose the second option, clear cache, and then OK, and this will clear all the cache data. From here, restart your smartphone, then open your app, and this should have fixed your problem. However, if you're still experiencing issues with your app, then go ahead and clear all the data, and then OK, like this, and you'll be done. Now at this point, everything should be okay. However, if you're still facing any challenge, then you'll need to go ahead and access the app either through Google Play Store or App Store and update your app to the latest version. To do that, I'll go to my Google Play Store and then search for the app. Once you have found it on your Google Play Store or App Store, then go ahead and look for any option called update. You should be able to see it here. For my case, I don't have an update, which means I have the latest version of AfroIntroductions. Now, once you update your app, you'll now get this option called open. Now you can start using the latest version of this app with the latest features. So let me know which of these methods solved your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.